All right, welcome to this lesson, and in this lesson, we will be learning how to install Postman. So, in order to install Postman, it's pretty simple on Ubuntu. You can do it from the command line, and I will show you how to do that. But the easiest way is just to pull up the Ubuntu Software Center and search for Postman. There it goes. It pops up. You click it. There will be an install button somewhere up here. I think it's over here. And you click it, and it will install. And it's that simple. Also, you can install Postman using the command line. Let me pull it over here. Oh no. Well, let me just pull it back over here. I have to edit that out. I didn't know that was gonna pop up. Why does it keep? All right, you can also install Postman from the command line. Let me pull that up. All right, so you would just run the command sudo snap install Postman, and since I already have it installed, it's not going to do it. But you do the same thing that we did before. It'll come up. You might have to type in your password, and it's probably going to ask if you want to install it. Just hit the Y key, hit enter, and it will install. If you don't have Snap, then you can install Snap with the command sudo apt get install snap, and it will install there. So that will install Snap for you, and then you can run the sudo snap install Postman command, and that's all there is to it when installing Postman. So that's all for this episode. In the next one, we will be actually calling our REST API. You will actually get to see it in action. So that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.